had a few questions about when you create a room which has a tag, and then you duplicate the view and you want to have the same space tagged. Well, a room in Revit is the same as any other physical object. The only difference is that for the most part it's invisible. You can't see it. So, excuse me, let me just create a small space here. And I'm going to add a door. Now, in this space, I can create a room. So I'm on the architecture ribbon, go to room. Now, as long as I have tag on placement selected, it will automatically add the tag. And I'll hit escape here. So there it is. Now, if I were to create a callout, like so, and I really should include the door, and I might as well relocate this bubble to someplace more convenient. Oh, and I meant to rename this room as office using uppercase letters. So with this callout, it adds its own floor plan view, and I'm going to rename this Level 1 Office. When we go to that view, of course, all you see is just that space. Now, the room is there. It is there, just like the walls and the door are there. You just can't see it. But in the architecture ribbon, we've got, in the room and area, we have tag room. And that will let you place a tag in this view. So I'll hit escape here, and now this room is tagged. Now it remembers, or it knows what the name and the number of this room is because it was already set in the primary view. Another thing you need to know about these tags is that they are annotation objects. That's why it didn't make a copy of the tag when you created the callout. Annotation objects typically are only visible in whatever view they're created in. So when you duplicate the view, they do not show up. But because they're annotative objects, the sizing of them are based on whatever the scale of the view is. You may have noticed that a callout based on a floor plan of a specific scale, 1 to 100, is automatically 1/2 that scale, 1 to 50, or double that scale. I can never remember the terminology. So anyway, that's how it works. Don't try to use the room command twice. You get error messages stating that there are already rooms there, there's already a room there, and that's really going to screw up things like room schedules later on. Even though rooms are invisible, they do still count, especially in schedules. So anyway, that's it.